How to create February dump stickers in Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create February dump sticker in Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Instagram. After you do that, head over to your story settings here, story, and right there you should find the layout option. Tap on this layout option right here, and now you can choose a picture or you can change the grid if you want more pictures here. You can choose the pictures from your gallery as well, like this. And yeah, you can start taking pictures. You can choose from the gallery as I said earlier, like this. And yeah, you can keep on taking pictures, choosing from gallery and stuff like that. So I'll just do that here. Yeah, after you do that, you can simply tap on done here and tap on the stickers icon on the top. Right there you will see add yours option. Tap on it, and here you can simply write February dump. Now after you do that, you can add this here. You can just make it smaller if you want to, and then add it to your story. You can even use an alternative method where you write the February dump using your text area like this. So let me show you, like this, where you can just make it a bit fancy. And yeah, that is how you create February dump sticker in Instagram story. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.